What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to DIY laminate my brows. If you don't know what a brow lamination is, it's basically just a perm for your eyebrows, and it's just the way that a lot of people the past few years have been getting that model brow, that fluffy brow look. So if that is something that you are interested in, then just keep on watching. So I did a lot of research, and you can use a lash lift kit to actually complete this look. So it's really amazing and really super affordable because you get multiple uses out of it. And I mean, if it works out, then it works out. This is what comes in the kit. You've got some glue, the perm, the fixation, some nutrition, and a cleanser. Then it also comes with some tools. You got cleaning tools and you get eye lift pads, of course, because this is a lash lift kit. If you guys want to see me use this kit as a lash lift and try doing a lash lift on myself, then just leave a comment down below and I might do that for you guys. So to start off, you're just going to want to brush your hairs up into place where you want them to be with a clean spoolie. Once you've got them where you want, you're going to use the eyelash glue on your eyebrows and glue them down. So basically, you just apply a nice thick coat of this stuff. I use this interchangeably with the spoolie to then brush up on the hairs to make sure that they stick down and up and straight up so that they are placed where I want them to be. This part right here is very important, so just take your time with it. Do only sections of your brows if you're afraid that it might dry too fast. You know, it just depends on the glue and the kit that you use, so just take your time with this. Do little by little, and you should be able to get a really good coat of it on there. Once I've got them both glued, this is how they look, or this is how they should look. You're then going to go in with the #1 bottle, which is the perm solution, and a Q-tip, and you're going to just apply that onto your brow. It doesn't really specify how much you need to use, so I just put like a nice thin layer of it on there, trying to coat all of the hairs evenly, but I didn't want to put too much because it is a chemical, and I just want to be really super careful. So if you have sensitive skin or you worry about this, make sure that you take all the precautions prior to make sure that you don't hurt yourself, obviously. This is how they look with that first layer on, and then I just use a piece of saran wrap to place on top of the brows to lay them nice and flat. And then what you need to do is just time it for 8 to 12 minutes. I only went on for 8 minutes because I was just not sure how the chemical was going to work. After the 8 minutes is up, it's very strong, guys, so if you're very sensitive to smell, keep that in mind. Once the 8 minutes is up, I just used one of the tools that came in the kit to clean that perming solution out of my brow by pushing up on the hairs. One of the ends of this tool has like a little bit like these tiny little comb, like a tiny little comb where you can actually get through the hairs, and it actually helps. So I was able to get all of the product out, or most of the product out, with this technique and using this tool. Then you're going to go in with step 2, and this is this fixation solution. I don't know exactly what this does, but it's in the kit, so you obviously need to use it. But you use the fixation next. The perm was white and the fixation was blue, so remember that white is first and then blue is second. At this point, because I saw a little eyebrow hair come out, I literally thought that I needed to be extra careful. So this part I kind of just wanted to do really quickly and just get it on so that I can time it for the 8 minutes and keep it pushing. I didn't want to keep these solutions on my eyebrows for too long because this was my first time trying something like this and I just wasn't sure how it would work. So after the 8 minutes is up with the fixation on, you're just gonna use bottle number 3. That is the nutrition. I believe this is just the oil, but this is what you're gonna use to just kind of clean out that product. And when I tell you guys that I was so shook that this actually worked and I had eyebrows left, it was ridiculous. Like, I was just like, wow, this looks exactly how I was picturing it. I was so shook. And then I went in with the cleanser and I made sure to wipe all of the perm solution, all the fixation, all the nutrition oil, just make it clean and just make sure that that product is out of there. I don't want it burning my skin or making my eyebrow hair fall out. Be really thorough with this. If you care, go wash your face with some soap and water. I had somewhere to go after this, so I didn't have time to do that, but I made sure to get it very thorough and clean with the cleanser and it worked just fine. I then went in with some scissors. My scissors were sucking so bad, so I have to go pick up some new ones, but I just tried to clean up as best as I can to cut those little hairs. Once I got it to kind of how I like it and what I can deal with, I just brushed my eyebrow hairs through. And when I tell you guys I was shook, I was so shook, but that's literally it. It's so easy, so quick, and so affordable. All right, you guys, and that is how I do my brow lamination at home. It was super easy. It's super affordable. You can get so many uses out of this kit for multiple things, and it's just amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you try it. If you do try it, please leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe for more, and share with your friends on all your platforms, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.